Hi, my name is Tarun Satana. I'm a business development manager at GR Compliance. तो इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे BIS के बारे में. What is BIS? Bureau of Indian Standard is an Indian standardizing body which has 100 or 1000 of standards for different product categories. The major role of BIS is to ensure the safety of the product, quality of the product, conducting market surveillance and issuance of certificates. Certification under BIS is done through creation or implementation of product standardization depending on product norms. Now, let's talk about Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme, which is also known as FMCS. But before I explain this process to you, I would like to talk about the difference between ISI marking scheme and Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme. Basically, as you know, as I explained it before, that ISI marking scheme is applicable on the domestic manufacturer. However, Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme is applicable on foreign manufacturer. But the Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme is also applicable on 381 products listed under ISI marking scheme. But that does not mean that any product which is not listed under 381 products cannot apply for FMCS or ISI marking scheme, since it is going to be a voluntary scheme. Now let's start the process how we can apply for Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme. The first step is again the documentation. Now there are many documents required in this process, and on the basis of the documentation again we are going to apply to the authority and schedule the factory inspection. Now the factory inspection would take place of the foreign manufacturer's factory, which means that the BIS officials will fly to the factory of the manufacturer and do the factory inspection over there, where again they will going to check the quality control management, waste management, and how manufacturer is performing test on his product. Once the factory inspection would be done, the samples will be withdrawn from the manufacturer's factory, and then the samples would be sent to the BIS lab for the further testing. The final testing again would take place in the BIS accredited lab, and once the testing would be completed, the certificate will be granted to the foreign manufacturer. Now, let's talk about the cost involved in this process. First cost, you can expect that there would be a government security deposit which would be of $10,000 as a security deposit. It is refundable in nature, which means that if manufacturer decides to surrender his BIS certificate in the near future, then he will get the refund of $10,000. Point 2. Now, as you know that the BIS officials will going to the manufacturer's factory for the factory inspection, so of course there would be a boarding and lodging expenses which will be involved in this process. Since you are a foreign manufacturer, it does not matter whether you are a small manufacturer or a large manufacturer. You will have to pay full marking fees specified by the BIS for that particular product. Apart from that, there are some miscellaneous expenses would also be involved in this process. Miscellaneous expenses includes appointment of authorized Indian representative, and secondly, the translation of documents. So there are high possibilities that the foreign manufacturers provides us the document in their local language, which needs to be translated in English language by the certified translator. So, at the end of this video, I would like to tell you that whether you are looking for any product to register under compulsory registration scheme, ISI marking scheme, Foreign Manufacturer Certification Scheme, hallmarking, or grant of certificate of conformity, so please contact GR Compliance. We will be assuring you the best of our services at all times. Thank you.
GR Compliance.